Razel Rabi for the prayer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim Malik Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Thank you, Razel. Next pledge by Muhammad Shan Bibi. Pledge! Hands forward! India is my country! All Indians serve! My brothers and sisters! All are my country! And I am proud of it! Which I am ready to help it! I shall always strive to be worthy of it! I shall view my parents, teachers, and all others, respect and teach everyone we can see. To my country and my people and pet devotion. In the baby, so pity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you, Sharon. Next is a performance by Kamal Hayat. 31 to start. Doni Doni Akaka eating to the papa telling guy the papa open a mouth Thank you. Thank you, Kamal. Next is a speech by Prabha ma'am.
Good morning all. Today I am here to speak about importance of time. As you all know, time and tide waits for no one. We all are allotted a certain amount of time in our lives and hence we must use it wisely. Time once passed can't be bought back. Time is precious and we must not waste it. We must plan all our activities to save time. Students can make a timetable to revise the syllabus so that it becomes easy to study during exams. Doing right things at right time is also important. If we utilize our time properly, it will help us to have a bright future. With this, I end my